Hey everyone, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is making waves in the automotive world with its unique design, impressive performance, and advanced technology. Here's a breakdown of what to expect from this futuristic vehicle. Exterior: the Cybertruck stands out with its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton that not only looks bold but also offers exceptional durability. Its distinctive polygonal shape and flat surfaces give it a space-age appearance. The vehicle is equipped with armored glass windows, enhanced LED lighting. Interior: inside, the Cybertruck features a minimalist design typical of Tesla, with a focus on functionality. The cabin includes seating for up to 6 passengers, premium materials, and ample storage space. A large, central touchscreen controls most of the vehicle's functions, offering access to Navi. Performance: the Cybertruck is designed for impressive performance, with 3 powertrain options offering a range of up to 500+ miles on a single charge. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.9 seconds, depending on the model. The vehicle also features all-wheel drive, adaptive air sus. Safety: Tesla prioritizes safety in all its vehicles, and the Cybertruck is no exception. It is built with a robust structure that offers excellent crash protection. Advanced safety features include autopilot capabilities, emergency braking, collision avoidance, and a comprehensive suite of cameras and pricing. As for pricing, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck starts at approximately $39,900 for the base model, with higher trims and options pushing the price to around $79,900 or more. Given its unique features and performance capabilities, it represents a compelling value in the electric vehicle market. Conclusion: overall, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and distinctive styling. It is set to challenge traditional perceptions of what a pickup truck can be while offering sustainability and efficiency. Whether you're